No.
That's what I want. My dad used to drive ninjas. He had like a $650
See, that's probably like a set.
I'm not 16 years old.
I'll give it to her. Oh my God, yell at me. No, you did not.
Okay, it says the integer 1,440 has 4 digits. Okay, count it up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Do you see the digits? There's 4 of them. Okay, how many digits are in the integer 12 times 10 to the 4th? So let's plug it in. So we do 12 times 10. And how do we do the 4th power? What button do we push? The little arrow right here, okay? And then we hit the 4th power. And hit enter. How many digits does that have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Very good. So what would be my answer?
6.
Which is C. Are y'all okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, let's do another one. We got next week. That's all we got is next week. Okay, let's look at this one. Okay, what's the average? Guys, what's average mean to do? Add them all up.
And divide by how many you have.
And divide by how many you have. Okay, what's it want me to find the average of? What's it say? Chicken sandwich prices, right? How about you? I like some chicken sandwich. Those buffalo chicken sandwiches, those are my favorite. All right, here we go. What's the chicken sandwich prices? Where are they at? What's the first one?
What?
The chicken?
Oh, $1.95.
$1.95 is the first one, right, Ethan? $1.95. What's the next one? $1.85. What's the third one? $1.40. How many restaurants were there?
3.
3. So I'm going to divide by 3. Get your calculators? Come on. $5.10, you mean? $5.20. Did you do that in your head? Look at you go. $5.20 divided by 3. Okay, what'd you get? How much money? How much is the average? $1.73. So what answer is that? D. D. $1.73. Y'all okay? Okay, we only got till next week. We got to go over some each day, like we've been doing. All right, let's see what's the next one. All right. How in the world would I work number 6? Which one is a point on y equals 2x plus 11? How do I do that? What do I plug in for y? Which one would I plug in for y? -4 or 3? 3 is y. And instead of 2 times x, it's 2 times what number? -4. And then what was it, plus 11? All right, let's see if that equals. What's 2 times -4?
-8.
What's -8 plus 11?
3.
Is that true? Does 3 equal 3?
Yeah.
So what's my answer? A. Very good. Well, that was easy enough. That was the first one. Okay, let's see. Let's do another one. Ooh, we've done these a lot. Remember these? Let me draw it on my picture. Okay, remember vertical angles? Which one were vertical angles? The ones that we're touching. Which ones are those?
3.
3 and 2. See how they're touching? What other ones are vertical?
5 and 4.
5 and 4. Okay, it tells me that. Let's see. Okay, which one's not congruent? So we know that 2 equals 3, right? And we know that, what was the other one? 4 equals 5? What else do we have? What does it say? What about 1 and 3? Are 1 and 3 congruent?
No.
But 3 was congruent, right?
Mm-hmm.
So which one am I going to pick?
1.
1. What number is that? 8. Alright, let's do another one. Let's see. Let's read number 10. Can y'all see that? It's kind of small. You got a circle, and it's drawn with 6 diameters. So you got a pizza, right? Y'all like pizza?
No.
No, you don't? Okay, well, we got a pizza anyway. Or we got a pie. You want to do a pie? And we're going to cut it in 6 diameters. So how many times are we going to cut it? 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going to be small pieces. 5, 6. Y'all okay with that so far? That's 12 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Very good. There's 12 pieces. All right, what's it say? Each sector has an angle in the center called, what is the total measure of 5 of those angles? So, guys, how much does a circle add to B?
8.
How much is a circle? If you turn all the way around, how many degrees is that? If you add
180.
360 is all the way around. If you do skateboards, if you flip it all the way around, it's 360, okay? So how many angles did you say there were?
12.
12. How much is that? 30. And it wanted us to find how many angles. Let's see. What is the total measure of how many? 5. So how many 30s am I going to have?
5.
How much is that?
A lot.
A lot. Use your calculator. You got calculators. It's math class.
150.
150. Very good. So that would be which answer? D. Very good. Very good. All right. That'll be it for today. All right. So when's the Aspire test? The real one is next week. Okay? The real one.
Like it counts?
Like it counts. Like the real one. The one we've been working all year to get ready for. Okay. We got to learn some new stuff today. Why is there a form here? Put that on.
That's what
Ma'am,
Thanks, nurse. I'll be back.
can we get through a couple of these first?
Well, I can't see, so.
Yes, yeah. What do you mean you can't see me?
This is not.
Your contact, yes, go. All right, you ready? Got your calculator? It's really easy stuff. Cameron, pass them up, baby. Pass your papers up. Okay, here we go. You ready? Write your quadratic formula right here at the top of your paper. X equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. Circle it. Highlight it. Make sure you have it, okay? All right. Here we go. You ready? So you've got to find 3 letters. What 3 letters do I give you in here? A, B, C, right? Okay. A is the first number. What's the first number right here? 1. B is the second number. What's the second number right here? Negative 5. C is the third number. What's the third number? Negative 14. Are y'all okay? All right, let's plug it in. You ready? X equals. All right, this is where you got to be careful. You ready? What comes first?
Negative B.
Negative. And then what's B? No, what is B?
Negative 5.
Negative 5. How many negatives do I have?
2.
2. All right, what's next?
Plus.
And minus together. I'm going to tell you what that means in a minute, okay? All right, B squared. What's B?
5. Negative 5.
Negative 5. Look what I used around negative 5. What did I use?
Parentheses.
There you go. All right, what comes next?
Negative
4. Very good. What comes after 4?
times A.
What's A? 1. There you go. What comes after A?
B. I mean C.
C. How much is C?
Negative 14.
There you go. And all of that is over
2.
to A. So 2 times A is 1. Whew.
That's hard.
It's not hard. It's a lot. It's not hard. All right, let's walk through. You ready? What do 2 negatives make?
Positive.
A positive. So x equals positive 5 plus and minus square root. All right, you ready? You got your calculator? Calculator, got it ready?
No.
Hurry, hurry, hurry. Okay, we're going to plug it all in. You ready? What's the first thing we're going to plug in?
Parentheses.
Yep. Parentheses. Then what? Negative 5. Close parentheses. What power? Squared. Second power, squared, same thing. Then what's after that? Just grab another one. What's after that?
Negative 4.
Minus, subtract 4. Then what? Parentheses 1. Then what? Jackson, you plugging this in with us? You are?
Can you tell me again?
It's still on the board.
So it's parentheses.
Parentheses negative 5. Close parentheses squared. Subtract 4. And then parentheses 1. Alright, what comes after the 1? Right here. Parentheses negative 14. How much did you get? 81. Very good. 81. Alright, what's on the bottom? What's 2 times 1? 2. Yep. We'll do it on the next one. Okay, right here. Square root of 81. You ready for your calculators? We've done this before. Square root 81. Ethan, you plugging it in, baby? What's the square root of 81? 9. All right, so what do we have? We have 5 plus and minus 9 over 2. All right, Cameron, you okay? Okay. So look right here at this right here. See plus and minus? So you have 5 plus 9 over 2. And you have 5 minus 9 over 2. What's 5 plus 9?
14.
And divided by 2?
7.
7. What's 5 minus 9? How much? Negative 4. Divided by 2? Negative 2. Very good, Kelvin. Okay, let's do number 2. You ready? Okay, I got to find 3 letters. What are those 3 letters? A, B, C. A is the first number. What's the first number right here?
1.
1. What's the second number? Negative 4. What's the third number?
4 plus 4.
Positive 4. Are y'all okay? Alright, Ethan, you ready? Let's plug it in. X equals You okay, Leah? Good? Alright, what's first? Anybody? What's first? My finger's right there.
-4.
Negative.
And then -4.
And then -4. Very good. Alright, what's next? Plus and minus. What's that called? Square root. Very good, Kelvin. Alright, what's B?
-4.
-4. What do I have to use around it? There you go. What comes after that?
C.
No.
-4.
Subtract 4. Yep.
A.
What was that?
That's
And what's A?
1.
1. What comes after that?
C.
And what's C?
4.
4. All of that is over. What's 2A? 2 times what?
A.
2 times what?
1.
1. Alright, here we go. Cameron, you ready? Not really? What's wrong? What's wrong?
It's Monday.
It's Monday? Oh, well, you had a whole week to sleep.
Sure, this one not really good.
What'd you do?
A lot of stuff.
Oh,
It was great.
okay. Alright, Cameron, what did 2 negatives make?
Positive.
A positive 4. Very good. Alright, TJ, you got your calculator? You ready? Clay, you got your calculator? You ready? Alright, this is what you missed. Ready? Ready? Okay. Alright, what do we plug in first, guys?
-4.
Not first.
Parentheses.
Parentheses, then -4 squared. Very good, very good, very good.
Squared.
Alright. And what comes after the square?
Minus.
Subtract 4. Then what?
Times 1.
Times 1
Times 4.
times 4. What do you get? 0. Thank you, Miss Huerta. Alright, what's on the bottom? What's 2 times 1? 2. Alright, right here. You ready? What's the square root of 0? Use your calculator. What'd you get?
0.
0. Very good. Alright, so I've got 4 plus 0 over 2.
Minus 0.
Yep. Alright, what's 4 plus 0?
4.
4. Divided by 2.
2.
What's 4 minus 0?
0.
No. Minus. No.
4.
Positive 4. Divided by 2.
2.
2. See, it's not so bad. Just a little lengthy. Okay, number 3. You ready? All right, Autumn, you going to get caught up with us? You got this formula? That's the main thing right here. All right, I need 3 letters. What are my 3 letters? A, B, and C. So, Autumn, A is that first number right there. So, anybody, what's my first number? 2. B is my second number. What's my second number? 2. C is my third number. What's my third number? No, it's not 12. Negative 12. All right, so Autumn, now we're going to plug it into this big formula, okay? All right, so what's the first thing that we see? X equals. All right, what do you see first? Negative. And then what's after the negative?
Parentheses 2.
Parentheses. Look at you go. What's after that?
Plus. Minus.
Yep. And square root. Are you okay so far? We're just plugging it in this? Okay. All right, after that is b squared. B.
Parentheses.
Yep. 2 squared. What's after that?
minus 4.
Subtract 4. Yep. What's after the minus 4?
Parentheses 2.
Yep. What's after that?
Parentheses negative 12.
Yep. All over what?
2a.
2a, which in our case is 2 times 2. All right, negative 2.
Positive.
No,
Negative.
it's still negative, yep. All right, and then Autumn, we're just going to take our calculator. You got your calculator? And we're going to plug all that in. You ready? So everything underneath here. So we're going to do parentheses 2 squared. And then subtract 4. And then parentheses 2. And then parentheses negative 12. And what do you get? 100. Very good. All right, what's on the bottom?
2.
What's that give me? 4. Very good. All right, what's the square root of 100? Use your calculator.
2.
How much?
2.
10. Very good. Very good. 10. Give me, Cameron. Sure is a blank paper for number 3.
Something.
Mm-hmm.
There's something there.
I said for number 3. All you got scribble marks. Don't be a smart aleck.
Alright.
All right, so what do I got? I got negative 2 plus 10 over 4.
And negative 2 minus 10 over 4.
Perfect. All right, use your calculator if you need to. What's negative 2 plus 10?
8.
8. What's 8 divided by 4? Perfect.
12.
Negative 2 minus
12.
10?
12. Negative 12.
Negative 12. And negative 12 divided by 4?
4. I mean 3.
Negative 3. Gotta use that calculator to get those signs right, okay? Are y'all okay? All right, I want you to do 4, 5, and 6. 4, 5, and 6.
Still 4, 5, and 6.
If it helps, a lot of you are messing up this first thing. Do this if it helps. Put this in your formula. Because a lot of y'all are getting that. It's negative, then that B. Okay? So put your parentheses around your formula if that's going to help you. All right, Cameron, how we doing on number 4, bud?
I'm almost done. I'm on the plus and minus part.
Okay. All right, there, that should be your 2 answers for number 4, okay? All right, guys, on 6, you should have gotten these answers. Check your answers for 6.